Cheese.
But eat already in my smock.
Okie dokie.
This side.
So we have some yogurt drops, some freeze-dried apples, a little bit of milk, some lettuce, an egg, and 2 chocolate bunnies.
And one more thing.
One more thing? What else?
No, this is at the week. And it's already.
You're right there, Abby.
Mommy, please.
Yeah, you okay?
Mommy, make us a map. Mommy, please some house. Mommy needs some house. This right there.
You want some cheese?
Wait. Here, with her there. We can't go down. Do the window with the club.
Excellent job, Clark. Thank you.
I had to half side.
What?
Half side.
You have stripes?
I had to half side.
What?
A half side.
You hopped inside?
No. No, Mommy.
What?
I had to half side.
A half slide?
No. A half side.
Oh, a high five! A high five! Oh, how could I be so silly? A high five!
Oh,
What's the magic word, Bo?
geez.
Okay, hold on.